Okay. What biscuit? Yeah, well, it is not that. Dear Lord. I love it. Yeah, oh my God. Another? What? Eating the red berries. That's cute. A monkey putting someone's shirt jacket on. That was cute. Oh my god. Huh. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
It's,
Yeah.
oh, you can go in there. The gate's open.
No, it's just, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'm just,
Yeah, the gate's open.
no, it's
Right there, sorry.
No, just the parking road, park house is too,
Yeah, it's right there.
yeah, no, it's,
Alright.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
I'll work. I'll just carry stuff up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Stuff that back, yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Everything out.
Oh, yeah.
You back good?
Oh, yeah. Whatever. Fucking care. Sheesh. Talk way too much. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, let me. Sheesh. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It has that kind of sensibility to it, but a little gentler. And Pebbles and Bam Bam are tweens. They're maybe about 9 or 10 in this. The kids have been at almost every age. They're running out of ages. In this one, they're in their natural setting. They live in the Stone Age.
Watch too.
And
Oh, yeah.
Fred and Wilma and Barney and Betty are in the story.
Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. Ah, okay.
What's funny about this is whenever they're in their homes
Fucking
and their parents are
annoying.
there, there's a laugh track.
Fucking.
And the music
Oh,
sort of
okay.
takes on a more traditional white curtain-y kind of.
Because there's a laugh track in every home.
But it's there just to sort of nod to the original, and in a way a little bit of it's just kind of an inside joke. The laugh track goes away when they're not in the house with their parents. But as soon as
Oh, he's
those
such an
four
annoying
characters are
client. Oh, he's
then
the worst
suddenly
client I
there's
have
a laugh
ever
This-
worked with.
It sounds like
Fucking
Fred and Wilma may have
annoying.
introduced
The
Rupert
lying,
Pupkin
the
at some point, but that's
manipulation. Oh,
Yeah, yeah, and the casting's wonderful. That Jeff Bergman does a spot
I have to
on
get
Fred
gas.
Flintstone of the Alan Reed type, and Barney is Michael Richardson is Barney, and he does the Barney of the first couple of seasons, the more nasal Barney voice.
And he keeps doing that.
Early Hanna Hanna-Barbera look. The Wilma is beautifully done by Tress McNeil. She's like the June Foray of today. She does so many voices. One of the things I love that she's done, this is an animation, but she was Lucy in Weird Al Yankovic's Hey Ricky video way back in the early 80s. But she was Gadget. No, she wasn't Gadget. She was Chip on Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. She may have been Gadget too. I don't know. She could do everything. And then the voice of Betty is Greg Griffin, who is also the voice of Daphne in the Scooby-Doo series. So it's beautifully cast. There's an appearance by Captain Caveman and Great Gazoo, and it has just a little bit of edge to it, but not too much. But it's very funny. The cartoons are short. There's about 26 of them. They're about 11 minutes long. And it's cool. I mean, it's cool that they find they're not trying to duplicate the original. You can't. You can't have the time and the circumstances go back to who was doing them, when they were doing it, and why they were doing it. These are just taking the characters and doing fun things with them, and that's the way they should be viewed. But they're fun and entertaining. That's what they are. That's all they are, and they're very fun. Just cool. Great fun.
Pebbles and Bam Bam, the original series featuring the voices of Sally Struthers and Jay North, available on DVD from Warner Home Entertainment. Take a quick time out. Welcome Ann Archer. We come back on TV Confidential.
Hey folks, Duffy here. Looking to hit some home runs in your yard this season? All you gotta do is sprinkle the infield with Longevity Bloomin' Minerals. You won't even need to slide it to the plate. It's all organic. In terms of vegetables, you'll be ringing up full counts all day long, and you won't even need to go on the road. Heck, you can bring up some cardboard cutouts and chase these pesky boo birds away from eating all your starters. The lineup card you need to submit is to bloomexplosion.com. That's bloomexplosion.com. And watch your bullpen blossom at its full potential. Try this soil enhancement today. Watch your team grow while it's still early in spring. You'll be loving all these minerals because they really, truly do work. bloomexplosion.com. That's bloomexplosion.com.
Entrusted Ministries is a program on KSCO, Sundays at 9 a.m. Welcome to Entrusted Ministries with Pastor T.K. Anderson of Compass Church in Monterey County, California. These weekly programs will each focus on a different aspect of Christian life. Don't miss Entrusted Ministries, 9 a.m. on...
My name is Nieves Haudegi, owner of Ariana Roofing. We started our business, it's almost going to be 25 years, and we cover the Monterey Bay. We're a little different. We're the oddball in the industry. We have a roofing license which covers new construction, remodels, re-roofs, and conversions. We also do industrial and commercial buildings. We also carry additional licensings because we do a lot of home improvement for customers. We also carry a painting license, a general contractor's license.